In the fast-evolving world of aerial photography and videography, the quest for ultimate clarity and precision has reached new heights with the advent of 8K drones. These cutting-edge flying marvels have redefined the boundaries of visual storytelling, offering a breathtaking level of detail and cinematic quality that was once unimaginable. From capturing stunning landscapes to providing immersive perspectives of events, the best 8K drones have become indispensable tools for professionals and enthusiasts alike, ushering in a new era of unparalleled aerial imaging possibilities. In this exploration, we will delve into the top contenders in the realm of 8K drones, showcasing their remarkable features and capabilities. In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best 8K drones available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user review before creating the 8K drones list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the 8K drones mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5. KF-102 GPS 8K Dual HD Camera Drones. Introducing the KF-102 GPS drone by Ishotienda, a remarkable marvel of aerial technology that redefines the art of photography and videography. Equipped with not one but two 8K Dual HD cameras, this drone guarantees unprecedented clarity and precision in every shot. The 2-axis gimbal and brushless motor ensure stable and smooth flights, while GPS positioning offers pinpoint accuracy. With a maximum flight time of 25 minutes and a storage capacity of 32 GB, you'll have ample time and space to capture breathtaking moments. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, the KF-102 is the ultimate choice for aerial photography, offering 4K HD video recording and an impressive 20 million pixels. With FPV operation, remote control, and Wi-Fi connectivity, you'll have complete control of your aerial adventures. This drone is not just a toy, it's a professional-grade tool designed for those who demand the best. Experience the future of photography with the KF-102 GPS drone. Number 4. RG-108 Max GPS Drone 8K Dual HD Camera. Experience the pinnacle of aerial photography with the RG-108 Max GPS drone by Gainbang. Boasting an astonishing 8K Dual HD camera setup, this professional-grade quadcopter redefines precision and clarity in every shot. Equipped with obstacle avoidance technology, it effortlessly navigates through challenging environments. The drone's foldable design, brushless motor, and complete omnidirectional sensing system ensure stable and secure flights. With a 27-minute flight time, 2.7 km transmission range, and 2 km remote distance, it offers extended exploration capabilities. This feature-packed drone also supports real-time kinematic (RTK) positioning for pinpoint accuracy. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a budding enthusiast, the RG-108 Max delivers unrivaled aerial photography excellence. Number 3. S135 GPS Drone 8K HD Dual Camera. Elevate your aerial photography game with the S135 GPS drone from Gainbang, a true masterpiece of technology. Equipped with not one but two 8K HD dual cameras and advanced obstacle avoidance, this quadcopter takes professional-grade photography to new heights. Its 3-axis gimbal image stabilizer ensures your shots are crystal clear, while the complete omnidirectional sensing system guarantees safe and precise navigation. With an impressive 35-minute flight time, 4 km transmission range, and a remote distance of 5 km, you can explore far and wide. The S135 supports 1-key GPS return, low battery return, and no signal return for worry-free flights. Plus, enjoy the freedom of planning multi-point route flights for truly cinematic shots. This is the ultimate tool for capturing breathtaking moments from the sky. Number 2. Hot AE3 Pro Max GPS Drone 8K Dual Camera. Introducing the Hot AE3 Pro Max GPS drone, the epitome of cutting-edge aerial photography technology. Equipped with dual 8K UHD cameras mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, this foldable quadcopter redefines the boundaries of imaging precision. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or expert, the AE3 Pro Max caters to all skill levels, making it the perfect gift or toy for enthusiasts aged 12 and above. With an impressive 30-minute flight time, a remote distance of up to 5,000 meters, and obstacle avoidance technology, it offers an unrivaled flying experience. Capture breathtaking moments with features like auto return, follow me mode, and FPV capabilities. This drone is your gateway to cinematic aerial photography, backed by advanced GPS and integrated Wi-Fi. Explore the world from new heights with the AE3 Pro Max GPS drone by Aliexpress. Number 1. AE86 Drone 8K HD Dual Camera. Unleash your aerial photography aspirations with the AE86 drone by Ganbang, a marvel of technology designed for the most discerning enthusiasts. Armed with dual 8K HD cameras mounted on a 3-axis anti-shake gimbal, this foldable RC quadcopter sets a new standard for imaging excellence. With a massive 8,000 mAh battery, it boasts an astonishing 45-minute flight time, while the 3-axis gimbal image stabilizer ensures every shot is crystal clear. Experience obstacle avoidance technology, a 4 km transmission range, and a remote distance of 4 km, providing you with the freedom to capture stunning vistas from the sky. Elevate your photography with the AE86, your gateway to cinematic aerial excellence. In conclusion, in the ever-evolving world of aerial photography, 8K drones have emerged as the pinnacle of technology and innovation. With their breathtaking 8K resolution, advanced camera stabilizers, and obstacle avoidance capabilities, these drones have redefined the possibilities of capturing stunning visuals from the sky. Whether you're a professional seeking the ultimate in image quality or an enthusiast exploring the world of high-definition aerial photography, 8K drones have undoubtedly set a new standard, offering unparalleled clarity and precision in every shot.